Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to have a beautiful conversation, and with me Mr. Subham is here. Hi
Hello,
Subham, how are you
hello.
doing today?
Hello, I'm doing very good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing fantastic. So how have you been so far?
Very good. Painful too.
Why
I've
painful?
been walking around the city.
Okay, so how was the journey? You came for podcast today, right?
Yep,
From Zappa to Kathmandu. Wow.
I'm dedicated.
Yes, I need that dedication.
Yo.
So, just talk something about Japa. How is the weather, and just say something about Japa.
Hot. One word describe it all, hot.
Okay, so what is
Sometimes it's rainy.
Why it's
wet,
hot?
It's hot.
why it's hot?
Because of the Asian highway, I guess. It's
'Cause
been
of the-
developing in
Because of
high
the
speed.
Asian Highway.
Yeah. Trees have been cut down. Nothing is there to keep what it's called shadow. Nothing is there. Just
That is the reason.
barren soil, so it's making it little warmer.
Okay, so that's the reason.
Yo.
So why it's here? We have a moderate weather here in this Kathmandu.
I actually don't know. Really.
No, you
It's
don't.
more
You don't
barren
need to
here.
visit the place to know something, right?
Yeah.
You can just assume because you are ACE graduate, right?
Yo.
So far. So, do you really need to visit that place to know something about weather?
I think you should visit to know because
So
a weather
you-
app cannot tell what is going on over there. You will see like it is rainy, and when you go there, it will be sunny. You cannot trust the app completely.
No, no. What I mean to say is like in Japa, the weather is
Yeah.
very hot, right? As you said. But in Kathmandu, we can see moderate or monsoon weather, right?
Yeah.
So why that weather is being changed or like different?
I think it's because of the altitude or something. I don't really know.
I think I think you feel embarrassment.
No,
No.
no.
Okay. So today we are going to discuss, like we just discussed from some mischievous. I mean, what it called?
What?
There is one word. I also struggling to
Process.
yes, struggling to tell. I think that is mischievous, right?
I don't
Also, miscellaneous. Yes, miscellaneous.
discussion.
Yeah, like from any aspect. Actually, I was supposed
Like and subscribe until that happens. Do it right now. Comment. I want a comment right now. I can I can podcast. Sucks. Oh, sorry. It's very good.
अब तू गया बेटा, अब तू गया। देख तेरी औकात मैं दिखाता हूँ तुझे। देख क्योंकि मैं बहुत दिनों से तेरा बहुत दिनों से खेल बंद करने के चक्कर में।
Okay, so we are going to have a beautiful podcast, and today I have invited our guest, Mr. Subham Bhatrai. Subham, how are you and how are you doing today?
I'm doing very good.
Okay.
What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing well. So before we start, so let me know about you. So can you introduce yourself to the audience?
Hello, I'm Subham Bhatrai. I live in Chapa, Daizan especially. But my exact location is in Daizan. I am a SE graduate and I am here in Kathmandu to do a podcast with Mr. IK Adhikari himself because it's very fun. I have seen him in YouTube growing like me because I'm also a content creator. You can subscribe me. I'll put the socials down below.
Wow, that's great.
Yo.
Okay, so you came from Japa to do a podcast, right?
Yeah.
So
Not only podcast,
Yeah,
there
it's-
are many other reasons.
okay.
Let's not
So as
talk
of now,
about
we are just
Yeah,
sitting
yeah,
here. So let's talk about that, right?
that. Yo.
Okay, so let me ask you some question. Are you ready to face all the questions?
Absolutely.
Okay. Okay, so now you have just completed your ACE exams, waiting for the results. So,
Yo.
what is your plan? Like, where do you want to see after 5 years? Is there
In
any
college, I will see myself in college after 5 years.
But let me tell you, if I ask some question, then your answer should be in, at least a descriptive way.
Okay.
You have to
I will
describe it, because if you say in one word, then the podcast would be
Short.
yes, it would be short. I have to process another question, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and from there I will be, I will ask some counter question.
Okay.
Okay, so where do you want to see after 15 years? So here you can just put your aim, your dream, your dedication, your passion, whatever.
My passions are changing every second. One moment I want to become writer, one moment I want to become a content creator, one moment I want to become an engineer, one moment I have to become a IT expert or something. I don't know.
But whatever you have mentioned,
But
right?
I am
So
more
all
interested
are-
in the IT field.
all are genuine one, because one moment you want to become a writer, it means
Yeah.
you have that potential,
I've
right?
written some
You have
things.
that virtue to
Yeah.
become a writer. And one moment you want to become an engineer, means you have that knowledge, right?
Yeah.
And the other one is
Content creation.
content creator. So it's very difficult to find that content that who can bring new one. So that's very important. So that's okay. So as of now, you don't have any stable goals.
I'm
So
seeing to take computer science after SE.
okay.
Additional information if
So-
you want to take in.
Yes. What is the reason behind that? What is the purpose of taking computer science?
Because I'm interested in computer. That's it, nothing else. Because I do editing a lot, I use computer a lot.
Yeah.
Because now I'm taking computer classes in Charali.
Okay.
There's an institute like I forgot the name, oh my god. Royal Technology IT Solution.
Okay.
Not sponsored, okay? I started there, it's very fun. I always write new shit. I don't know what is wrong with me. I write a poem, I write a story.
Okay.
write
Can you recite a beautiful poem, if you know any
No,
poem?
I don't.
Or anything, any word, any quotation that you want to describe, or the quotation that change your mindset.
My mind is completely empty right now, as of now. If I think for a while, I will get it, but right now it's completely empty.
While talking, you just process
Okay,
that
okay.
as
I
well.
will.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now next question is, so how do you see this adult life? Now you are in teenage, right?
Yeah.
So
I'm not adult right now.
yes, right now you are still in teenage. You are running in teen life.
Yeah.
So how do you see yourself? How is your mental health, and how is everything? Like, can you tell?
My mental health is stable, I guess. I'm studying, I am grabbing skills that I need, I am enjoying my life as much as I can in this period of 3 months, because after that, studies, everything. So I'm enjoying it. Right now also Kathmandu, I'm just enjoying,
Okay,
as you can see.
you are enjoying.
Yeah.
Okay, in Kathmandu, right?
Yeah.
So you said that you have 3 months. So how was your 3 month? Like, you're passing, right? How is going on?
Yeah.
3 months. Is it
My first
productive or unproductive, or like did you go somewhere? Did you enjoy with your friends? So what is the best memory between this 3 months?
First 2 months were boring. It was boring. I was just in my house, laying in my room, watching reels, sending it to friends. That was my whole 2 months actually. And I know many of you watching also did the same, because ice. And after I return to Japa from Kathmandu, I will buy some books as well. So it will be more productive, and I will know more English. I will be fluent in English. Yeah, that's
Okay,
just my-
you talk about
holidays.
books, right?
Yeah.
So far, did you experience reading books?
I have experienced many, but some were little traumatizing because it was a little over the head. Some were absolutely
So
amazing.
what kinds of genre? Like what?
Thriller.
Which genre? Okay, thriller.
I like thrillers too much, extremely.
Okay, so you don't feel
Yeah.
any kinds of like you don't have that problem watching thriller or reading thriller.
Thriller and true crime, a little bit of romance. Not doesn't hurt. It's very
Okay,
good.
what about the brutal killing or like blood and all? How do you see such a...
About that, I will say one thing. I watched the entire Friday the 13th franchise. If you guys know what it means,
Everybody
Yeah.
knows that.
have you watched Friday the 13th?
But your age, you know,
Oh.
your age boys knows everything. Yes, they know everything. So it's okay. So you like thrilling types of
Thrillers,
movies, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So can you name some movies?
Movies.
Yeah, movies
I
name.
will read some books, I guess.
Yes,
The
book.
Silent Patient. It's absolutely amazing. 10 out of 10 in my scale. Silent Patient is amazing, and I'm very excited to read the Saturn universe. I have read the first book.
Okay.
And one thing I will add is that I don't like reading books online.
Okay.
Like reading it from mobile, it's just not my thing. It hurts my brain. The
So you want physically? Oh, that's
the
great. Even
physical book
same
is
here.
just awesome.
So how many books you have right now?
I can give in mind. I think 3
Okay.
I have read, and some I have written also.
So if you expect me to give one book, then which book you prefer?
Give me the entire Saturn universe. I'll be very happy.
Okay, I'll give you tomorrow. Why?
That was unexpected. Okay.
Why?
It's very expensive.
Very costly, right?
Yeah, very
What
costly.
would be the price?
The entire set would cost around 6,000.
That's normal.
But-
you have to make
But
things
there is
normal,
discount.
like
There is
you
a
know?
discount.
Make
Up
it
to
everything
9.
normalized, so that you can able to do whatever you want to do. If you have some determination, right? So definitely you have to crack it. The money does not block your
Yeah.
dream. That I mean to say.
Yeah.
Okay, moving on to next question. Okay.
You don't want to talk about my writings?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
So
you can-
I have written some books. Okay. It's not complete.
some books,
but- okay,
some
correct.
pages.
Correct.
You mean? No, you mean to say
No,
that?
I have written, done some parts up to like 8, 9, 10. Then I completely lost interest because of some things in real life or some problems.
Okay.
But I quit it and it's just there in my
Okay, so what kinds
I'm
of...
writing a book right now. It's a romance book. It's based on real life, by the way.
Okay. So
And
the
it's
genre
coming
is
out soon.
romance. Genre is...
Genre is romance, but it's not hard romance. It's just soft, like teenage fiction.
So what is the difference between soft and hard romance? Can you explain it?
This will take age restriction, I guess. Hard means just
Like very deep,
very
intense,
deep, very
like...
vulgar, very extreme. Yeah.
Okay, the
Soft
vulgar means hard romance. You
Yeah.
mean to say soft romance means like everyone wants,
Dark romance
everybody
also
wants
they
to
say.
watch.
Yeah. Dark
Okay.
romance also they say, but I am not interested in that. Soft romance, it's okay. Thrillers is absolutely amazing. Horror is wow.
Okay.
Give me any of this book, I'll be very happy. I'll be grateful to us.
So how did you get that inspiration? Like writing a book?
Writing books, reading books.
Yes, reading books, and
inspiration.
now you have written, right?
Yeah.
So how did you get that inspiration?
Reading books, inspiration was given by one of my sisters. I don't know if she is watching this, but her name is Krishna Kotel. Okay, she gave me the inspiration to read some books,
Wow,
and
that's
after that I began to write because I felt like I needed to write, so I wrote.
So you
some
got
books.
inspiration from Christina Katel.
Yeah.
Okay,
Shout
Christina.
out to you if you are watching.
Christina, thank you. Whenever I come to your house, I'll give you chocolate.
One eclairs, please.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so how many pages have you completed so far?
Of what?
Book. You said no book.
Now what I'm writing?
Yeah.
I have completed 2 chapters, I guess. 2 chapters, and its total is I think 2,000 to 3,000 words.
So when are you?
It's a novella. By
When
the way,
are you
not a not a
releasing? When are you releasing?
novel. Not fixed.
Not fixed.
It can be. The story is not complete. It's just in the starting phase, and I have begun to write the just
Okay.
starting phase.
Who are the main character? Like a boy, a girl,
The real life
an old
story,
man?
I cannot say the name because it's a secret to be kept.
Okay, you mean to say that spoiler?
No, not a spoiler. The characters, I will say the characters is completely made up. It's in the book, but it's completely made up. It's not the real life characters.
Okay.
The girl name is, I think it's Sanya Shrestha. Yeah, Sanya Shrestha.
Wow.
If Sanya Shrestha is here, that's not you, okay? That's completely my mind that is.
Okay,
keeping
that is
it there.
imaginative name.
Yeah,
And what about boy?
And the boy is Samyog Gautam. If you are watching this, also that's just my boy.
Okay, so you are going to have an intercaste love affair, right?
I think so.
Okay, so
And there is a
you
villain
look so romantic. So I want to know whether you have, you are involved or you
No,
have.
no, 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 no.
Actually, you don't.
No. I
Because-
stay far away from this shit.
Okay, why? Are you normal?
Yeah, I'm very normal.
Yeah, normal.
I'm normal.
I'm normal. Hi, I'm normal. नाम तो सुना होगा.
I'm very normal.
Okay.
I just don't like those things because it will hamper my studies as well.
Let me tell you one thing. Like when I was small, right? So I used to look for that, that things. But I was scolded because that was not the age, right?
Yeah.
But later, when I was ready to, get married, right? So my mother asked me, "Have you ever seen any girl?" So it should not be like that.
That's the entire Indian and Nepali family, to be honest.
Yes. So it should not
They
be like
don't allow
this.
to-
That I mean to say.
Yeah, they don't allow talk to girls, and when it's you didn't talk to any girls. That's the
Yeah.
entire problem. You should make a reel on it, by the way.
Yes, but your voice should be there. Right?
Oh yeah, sorry. Hello, hello. Yeah.
So how is your going? I mean, how is your life going on right now?
It's very fantastic. It's very fantastic. I am enjoying very much. Yeah, right here in Kathmandu. Right now too. I
Okay.
think tomorrow also.
So-
Day after tomorrow also. I don't know. Maybe the whole week I will enjoy. Yes, that's the entire life right now. But before 1-2 months it was very boring. I was thinking someone take me to the hills. I want to stay there. I want to sleep. I want to enjoy in the hills. No one took me. Like I was planning to do Kokonyam if anybody wanted, but no one did. And when I planned to come to Kathmandu, some institute wanted to go
But
to
let me
Kathmandu.
tell you, see, when I was in class 10, right? So I was completely independent. Actually, I didn't get help from anyone. So I used to help myself going somewhere, right? So now you have completed your SE.
Yeah.
So now why you expect someone to take you somewhere? Like Kanyam is, I think from Charali, I think it takes only 36 I think the kilometer is only 36. So you can go yourself or you can just make your own circle and you can go there, right? So why wait someone? You can be a leader for that, journey. So why you expect still?
About the circle, our friends barely grouped together. One is there, one is there. And about that,
But you
because
all are connected in social media,
connected,
right?
but some have other plans, some have other plans. We are just separated. One
That's
day
why
we-
planning is important.
We plan, but they don't come. What is wrong with them? I don't know. And also, I am a very introvert. I don't say this, but
You are
I can-
introvert.
I can't bargain. I'm ambivert, by the way, not introvert. I'm ambivert. I can't bargain. I can't do anything. So if someone says me up to Bitamur, which is 20 rupees, if they say 30 rupees, I say okay, take it. I'm that kind of guy. I will lose 100% of the money, so I don't really go alone.
But you look.
And I want a friend as well.
But
so-
you look so cute and so handsome. So
Thank you.
how you make this physics?
Physique, wow. Just stay at home, eat something, walk around. That's the whole physique, guys.
Okay. Now you look so
Tall. It's
macho
because I'm
and
getting
tall,
tall.
and you look so
Before I was short and flubby,
Yes.
I was looking.
Yes.
I want to explode into million pieces, but
yes.
now
But
I'm,
now you look
But guys-
yes your body is also extended now.
Yeah.
And
It's
your
expanding,
fat is
yeah.
also dispersing.
it's going up, not
Yeah.
this side. It's going like.
So how did you do that? Like how did you manage your health now? By not eating?
No, I eat.
You don't
but
have
I
anything, no any restriction.
But what people think I eat like I take 2-3 plates and eat, but I don't eat like that. I usually eat 1 plate. Okay,
Okay.
that also. if the vegetable is separate, I will mix them all together and eat like a chotpati. So that's why I think I'm getting weight. But that's it. I don't eat that much. I think thin people eat more than me. I guess two of my friends.
So you mean to say that you are very fat, right? No, it's
I'm
okay
not
now
very
because
fat,
no, it's okay
Yeah,
because compared to like last year or maybe 2 years ago, you were like bulky or something
Yeah.
like your obesity. What to say?
Little choppy I was.
Yeah, yeah, you look chubby, but now everything is like fantastic.
Yeah.
So I'm happy to see you.
Thank you.
Does anything happen? Would you like to say something? Would you like to ask me any question?
Not really. Would you like to make some reels tomorrow?
Yeah, of
That's-
course, of course. Why not? We'll have. Lot
I
of
was
things.
here to him.
So where you? So far, have you been any place in Kathmandu?
I have been to Pashupatinath as of now. I went to Darara, but it was absolutely close. There is an incident I want to share. I've already said it to him, but I will repeat it once again to you guys. My
You
what-
shared to me already. Did
yeah,
you
I
share?
did the round thing.
Okay. Please let me know. Actually,
How do I call him in English?
how do I call him?
No, I-
Okay,
I just-
uncle. You can say
Yeah.
uncle. Yes, your uncle.
It sounds weird, but yeah, my uncle.
Yes,
He-
because
he-
see, English is very funny language, right?
Matter-
Your father, and after that, all your father brothers are called uncle, and your mother and mother sisters are also
Yeah.
uncle, cousin.
Very, very.
Okay, so it's a very funny language.
Yeah.
So you have to know how to tell. Okay, and yes, some says that someone says that my big brother, big father.
Big father.
Yes, big father.
Maximum, minimum.
Yes,
Mom.
but I think it's not commonly suit.
Yeah,
to
it's
say
not
that.
commonly said.
Yeah.
I will also just say Tuloba because uncle sounds very weird. Okay, my Tulobua, my father's big brother, he, my sister and I went to Pashupatinath. We worshipped just from outside because it was very crowded. Like if if one person got corona there, then whole crowd will be get corona. That much
Yes, crowded.
congested it was there. And after we went back, my Tulobua become very curious to take a round of the Pashupatinath, and he took us to, I don't know the place, I am new to Kathmandu, so I barely remember. There's a hill type sort thing which has but white something there is, it's there, and we climbed the hill. I have a whole bag in my hand because we didn't, we took one bag.
What
because-
was there inside the bag? Your own bag or
No,
like
no.
a plastic
My
bag?
sisters and I combined both of them because we had been to a place before the night, so we had some clothes we need to take home back. Okay,
Okay.
that cloth was in my. I asked my sister. She said she was very tired. She couldn't carry. I carried that bag. I think up 100 to 150 steps. It was very exhausting. And after we stopped, we just clicked some photos and we went down. And after we went down, he said that no, we have to take a round and go to the bus stop.
So it took, I think, more than 2 hours.
Yeah, it should have taken at least 1 hour, 1.5 hour maximum. But he said you take this round and it will take you to bus stop. Instead, we just took the round, came back to where we started, and moved backwards again to the bus station. So it took us
So
more.
this
time.
is
We
the,
just walked.
This is the epitome of rural people, right?
Yeah. And after that also we walked so much. We went to Darara and it was closed. So we just took a glance of the top and we just left to Pasantapur Darbar Square. It was also very crowded and we just walked around there. We wanted to go to the museum but my sister wasn't interested, so we didn't go and we just took a round and came back. That was my whole day. And after I reached home, I called him. He didn't pick up. I am worried that I wouldn't be able to join, but finally I'm here. Yeah, that's
Okay.
my whole day today.
Okay, so can you say something like a conclusion message to the audience
Conclusion message.
about my channel or anything?
His channel is absolutely awesome. I watched it multiple times. He does various efforts to keep you entertained. So subscribe, like, comment. I also comment on his videos, like on his videos because I am a daily viewer. You should do so, and you can follow me also on Insta. I will leave the socials down below. He will leave the socials down below, by the way, not me. And if you want to read my book, it will be out. I will post. He will also post it on his channel. You can watch it, read it, review it. I don't know, but that's just what I want to say.
Okay, thank you for watching us.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye. So some different voice. We will.
If you talk something that the people must understand, because you have to talk in a bass voice. Hello. Okay.
Hello. It's a little bit deeper. I enjoy it a lot.
Okay, so thank you for watching us.
Thank you so much for watching us. Bye bye.